Hello guys, so I just want to say this is my first video about duck hunting, and I wanted to say that I might have another channel too about duck hunting. I don't know if it's going to be duck hunting, but today we're going to be testing 3 calls. This is one, it is a Primus, the nag, and then I have a flex tone to camo. Then I just have one, I don't even know what it is. I just bought it in Washington, so let's get to it. First off, I'm going to start with the Primus nag, the nag. If I'm saying this wrong, please comment it down below if you can even see that. So let's do this. One second, I gotta close my door. Okay, that is it. I'll try again. I apologize because I am kind of sick, so if it doesn't sound very well. Yeah. Now I am moving on to the flex tone, the camo. Now I'm doing the flex tone one more time. Now onto this one. This one is not my, it's one of my least favorites. I think it was my first duck call, but I don't know. Oh, crap. It's really broken. I don't know. So I'll do all of them again, starting with this one. Come on. Okay. And then okay. And if you live in Twin, in Idaho, go check out Sportsman's. They have some Intova duos on sale. They used to be $50 and now they're $29. I would recommend checking it out. They're waterproof. Well, only if they're in the case. Okay. Thanks.